Hello, I'm Tony Cola, National Artist USA. So here I'm at Global Zoom, here to talk about my shag haircut that we used. Utilize some disconnection with rounded cutting lines and also some triangular cutting lines. So we're gonna spin around my model Sam so we can take a peek at what we did throughout the back. So, as we worked in a rounded zone here through both sides. We utilized over direction and triangle cutting line to create something that is concave to retain density through the outline. After we worked our sections, everything back to the center. We did 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and the same thing on the opposite side. After working below the crown, we chose to work on the side. Again, working with pivoting sections. We worked diagonally, and we built weight as we worked up towards the parietal ridge. Again, to leave fullness in the outside perimeter to make things loose, also to create movement and separation between top of the head and bottom of the head. After completing our zone underneath, we dried, wrap dry, tension dry, iron, and then detail. After that is complete, we start with the top. We work, again, rounded sections from crown back to the front hairline. Later we will achieve a fringe look, but first we go in, create our wet shape, rounded, dry, wrap dry, tension dry, iron, detail, then we decide on our length for our fringe. We decided to start to open up the cheekbones to really show the eye and showcase the beautiful structure of her face. It helps us to retain length, but also beautiful rounded shapes to create softness and complement anyone's face shape. I thank you for your time. Have a great day.